in a given series of data. The next part is that basically two type of method is used in case of measurement of dispersion. The first one is absolute dispersion, then second one is relative dispersions. In case of in this regard, as you know, we have already computed the range, and in case of individual series, in case of discrete series, in case of your continuous series. Today we are discussing the quartile deviations. Before starting this one, first you have to know what is quartiles and what are the quartile deviations. In case of quartile deviation, this is a measure of variation or to find out the deviation which gives a particular solution to overcome the limited range for a given series, whether it should be, I repeat, whether it should be individual series, whether it should be discrete or ungroup series, or whether it should be continuous series. So basically, in case of your in a given set of data, it calculates the spread over the middle half of the value, and this measure of variation minimizes the effect of extreme value called outliers. I repeat, whenever the data is given in different form, like your individual, discrete, or continuous, it calculates the spread. It means whenever it start, or if you arrange the variables like ascending and descending order, it should be spread over the middle half of the value, and this measure of variation is minimized the extreme value called outliers. Moving to the next slide, in every part of data contain 25% of observed values. So in this value is highest one is known as quartile. I repeat, in every part of data set contain 25% of observed value. In this value, the highest one is known as quartiles. So basically, in case of quartile deviation method, which is used in case of measurement of dispersions, the study of interquartile range is very much. This is in case of quartile deviation, it is need to go for calculating the interquartile range, because the large amount of value in data set lie in the central part of frequency distributions. I repeat, in this method, you have to first identify the interquartile range, which is very much important for large amount of value in the data set lie in the central part of frequency distributions. We'll show that particular formula. Just note down, all of you, just note down the first formula for interquartile range, that equals to Q3 minus Q1. I repeat, interquartile range equals to Q3 minus Q1. So here the Q1 equals to your 1/4. That is 1/4 value of item, and Q3 stand for 3/4 value of items. Next, the next part is that the half the difference between third and first quartiles is called semi-internal quartile or quartile deviations. The formula for quartile deviation, that is given Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Then move to the next formula. The difference between third and first quartile is divided by the sum of third and
yes. Sir, that Q3 is 1/4 value of the term, or what? So the cursor is on that. I can't see it.
Is it not visible to you?
No, sir. Now it's visible. So then the cursor was there, so I was not able to see.
Okay. So in case of half of the, I'll just repeat that one. In case of quartile deviation, that is the half the difference between third quartile and the first quartile is called semi-internal quartile or quartile deviation. The formula is given, that is quartile QD equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Then moving to the third one, that is the coefficient of quartile deviation. In case of coefficient of quartile deviation, the difference of third and first quartile is divided by the sum of third and first quartile, that is known as coefficient of quartile deviation. The formula is given, that is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Just it is from my side that all of you just note this formula. Then we proceed for examples. If you don't drop a text on chat box, I will understand. Okay, so Ranjan Das done.
It's Saurabh Ranjan Das.
Oh, sorry. It's the most important thing is if someone is pronounce your name correctly. Saurabh Ranjan Das, fine. Sudipta Swai, Sushil Saw, okay, fine. Shall I move to the next one? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Moving to the next example. Suppose we have this following data. The calculate the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation for the following data. The data are given for 24, 14, 21, 100, 104, 68, 34, 106, again 100, 72, 16, again 21, again 14, 21, then 72, 100, 106, 34, and 100. Okay, just note down. So here in this particular example, you have calculated the number of appearance of few digits like 100, like 14, like 21. Clear? So I made a particular table in the next slide. So let's move to the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here I have arranged, first one is as per the ascending order, 14, 16, 21, 24, 34, 68, 72, 100, 104, and 106 similarly. In this case, as you see in the previous data, 14 is appear 2 times. That's why I write in case of frequency table, it is 2. Similarly, the 16 is appear 1 time, 21 is appear 3 times here, 24 is appear 1 time, 34 is appear 2 times, your 68 is appear 1 time, 72 appear 2 times, 100 appears 4 times, 104 appear 1 time, and 106 is appear 2 times. So if you calculate the sum of frequency, that equals to 19. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll
Yes.
move slowly. Let other two note down this data of frequencies given to the distribution of data in the form of individual series. Then next part is that you have to calculate the cumulative frequency. That means in first I have write 2. The second is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7. 7 plus 2, that is 9. Then 9 plus 1, that equals to 10. And 10 plus 2, that equals to 12. Similarly, 12 plus 4, that is 16. Then 16 plus 1, that is 17. And 17 plus 9, 17 plus 2, that equals to 19. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So by the use of the quartile deviation formula, specially reference to your interquartile range, in that case, first you have to calculate Q1. So here's the formula for Q1, because we have observed the n equals to 19 here. Here, I just repeat this one.
Summation of F, sir, N.
Sorry, this one is summation of f is equal to n here. Clear? The n is your 19. 19 plus 1 divided by 4 as per the formula. You got fifth item. That means the fifth item means which one? The 21 belong to which one?
21.
Fifth item,
Sir.
fifth item.
34, na?
The fifth item, that is not, sorry, fifth item, that means the value is 5 here. I repeat, in case of this Q1 value, that is the size of n plus 4 item, that equals to 19 plus 1 divided by 4, that is 20 divided by 4, that is fifth. That fifth is lying between the cumulative frequency of 6. I repeat, this fifth term is lying between sixth one. The value of fifth is lying between 2 to 6. I just highlight in red color. That means that value of corresponding x value should be considered as Q1 value. So here the Q1 value equals to 21. I just highlight in case of red color. I repeat.
Sir,
I just repeat one.
okay, sir.
If you get the value of fifth one, in this case, you directly go to the tables. The fifth in case of cumulative frequencies. That means the fifth is lying between the chosen interval starting from 2 to 5, 2 to 6. In that case, the highest value is 6, and 6 refer to the corresponding value of x, that is 21. Got your Q1 value? That is 21. Similarly, if you calculate the Q3, that means 3 into n plus 1, that means 3 into 19 plus 1 divided by 4, that equals to 15. In case of 15, 15 is lying between this one, starting from
16.
100.
that is 16th. That means your
100.
Q3 value is Q3. I just repeat that one. In case of Q1, the size of n plus 1 divided by fourth item. If you calculate that one, you got 5. And that 5 is lie in between the chosen interval of 2 to 6. That means starting from the 6 value, the corresponding value of x is 21. Here, the Q1 equals to your 21. Similarly, if you calculate the Q3, that is 3 into 19 plus 1 divided by 4, that equals to 60 divided by 4 equal to 15. In case of 15, the 15 is lie in between 2 to 16. That means 16 should directly reflect the value of Q3 in the X column. So that equals to Q3 equals to your 100. So you got the all value in case of Q1 and Q3. And here number of observations is 90 already, that is mentioned. Just calculate the quartile deviation as per the given
Sir,
formula.
can you repeat once again?
In case of Q1, we got the number of observations here 19. Clear? If you apply this one, 19 plus 1 divided by 4, that means 20 divided by 4, that equals to 5. The 5 is lie in between 2 to 6 chosen intervals. That means the 6 directly indicate the value of x, and that value of x should be considered as Q1. Similarly, if you calculate Q3, as per the formula, the size of 3 into n plus 1 divided by fourth item, that means 3 into 19 plus 1, that is 20, 20 into 3, that is 60, 60 divided by 4, that is 15. The 15 is lying in between 2 to 16. That 16 is directly referred to X table in the form of 100. In that case, the Q3 equals to your 100. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By
Sir,
applying,
excuse me, sir.
I'm not getting your voice.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, if n is equal to even number, then the formula should be n by 4, na?
No. That is n plus 1 divided by 4 also. That is no n by 4.
Okay, sir, okay.
Okay. Then after you proceed for calculating the quartile deviation, the formula is given, that is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. That means 100 minus 21 divided by 2, that equals to 39.5. And in case of coefficient of quartile deviation, that CQD stand for coefficient of quartile deviation, that equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So if you calculate 100 minus 21 divided by 100 plus 21, that equals to 0.653. That is your answer. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to the next example?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the example for you. Try to solve this one. Calculate the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation for the following data. We have 4, 14, 21, 15, 14 again, 6, 3, 9, 10, 10, 7, 16, 21, again 14, again 21, 7, 10, 10, 4, 7, 5, 6, 3, and last one is 16. First, you have to make a table, arranging according to the ascending order for better visibility of number of frequency appearance, especially reference to X variable. Then after you calculate for cumulative frequency. Okay, move to the next slide. 4 is appear how many times here?
2 times.
2 times.
Same, sir.
One is 3.
Times.
2 times.
Then in case of 5,
1.
One, sir.
good. In case of 6,
2.
2
2
times.
times.
okay. In case of 7,
3 times.
okay. In case of your 9,
1.
1 time.
in case of 10,
4.
4 times.
4 times.
of 14,
3 times.
3 times.
3 times.
3 times, sir.
3 times. Then in case of 15,
1 time.
in case of 16,
2 times.
2 times.
2
the
times.
last one is,
2 times.
okay, good. In case of 21,
3 times.
3 times.
3 times.
21, 3 time or 2 time?
3
3
times.
Times, sir.
3 times, sir. So 3 times.
Sir, 21 is 3 times, sir. Sir, 3 times.
3 times.
21 is 3 times. Clear? Calculate the sum of frequencies and calculate the cumulative frequencies.
So n equal to 24.
24 frequency.
24, sir.
24. Then calculate the sum of frequencies, that is 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 plus 3, that equals to 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus, that is 4, that is equals to 15. 15 plus 3, that equals to 18. The next one is 19. Next one is 21. The last one is 24. So what is the value of n?
So 24.
24.
24. You got the value of 24. By applying this particular formula, you can calculate this one. That is 24 plus 1 divided by 4.
6.25.
That equals to 6.25. From the cumulative table, 6 is lie in between which two interval?
6.
The 6.
6.25 lie in between 6. Or that is 7. From the cumulative table, this one is selected.
So why sir? Okay, okay. Huh. Yes, sir.
6.25 is lie in between 2 to 7. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Move to the next one. Next one is 3 into 24 plus
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
74 by 75 by 4, sir.
75 by 4. That is
18.75.
7.5.
18.75.
Yes, sir.
18.75. 18.75 is lie in between which one?
Sir, 19.
So 15.
15. 15.
Okay, you got the value 15. Here, I just highlight here. 15 and this one is 6. Here the value is how much? First one is your 5. Sorry, that is 6. And the next one is 15. Okay, if you calculate the quartile deviation, that equals to 15 minus 6 divided by 2. That equals to how much?
5.5.
4.5, 9.
4.5, sir.
2.5, sir.
4.5. Similarly, calculate next one. This one is your 2, your how much? 9 divided by how much?
21.
21. That equals to how much?
0.42.
0.42.
0.42.
0.42.
0.42. Is it clear to all?
So, so either n
Yes, sir.
23 24 होगा ना?
यस सर
कौन
एन
सा?
की वैल्यू गलत लिखा हुआ है 23 लिखा हुआ है
कहाँ पे? Oh, that is 20.
यस सर
Number of observation.
Okay, okay. Then moving to the next one. Is it clear to all?
यस सर
Smruti Ranjan Mishra, what is your answer?
Sir, 4.5 and 0.42.
Soumya Brata,
Yes, sir.
what is your answer?
Sir, 4.5 and 0.42.
Okay, good. The next is Soumya Ranjan Swai. Shitam Bera. The next one, okay.
Yes, sir. Is 4.5 and 0.42.
Okay. Shubham Agrawal,
Yes, sir.
what is your answer for quartile deviation?
Uh,
See, you are not attentive, I think. If people are not attentive, they're just listening. As I told so many times,
no, sir, no, sir, no, sir.
it's a numerical paper.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, you can ask.
Sir, in Q3 it's written 3 into 24 plus 1 by 4 equals to 18.75.
18.75 is lying between which area? 2 to 19, na?
Acha, okay. Sorry, sir.
Don't sorry. It's your, say, it is your duty. You can ask questions. Here, it is my duty. I can rectify or fix your problem. Okay, moving to the next one. The next example for your discrete series. Find the quartile deviation and coefficient deviation from the given data. So here, number of person in a family is given and number of families given. So as far as concerned with this one, same formula is used, but you have to calculate because in the previous one, in case of individual series, you have to arrange or you have to regenerate the frequency, but here frequency are given. So in this case, you have to just calculate. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, cumulative frequency निकालना है, sir.
In this case, you have to directly calculate the cumulative frequencies.
Yes, sir.
Try to calculate.
Okay, sir.
First, you have to calculate the sum of frequency here. Then after you proceed for calculating the cumulative frequency. For the first row, that is 2. For the second row, that is 6. For the third row, that is how much?
Sir, 22.
22.
The next one
34.
is 34. Next one,
62.
62.
it's good. Next one,
93.
93.
93. Next one,
101.
101.
101. Next one is 123.
123.
123.
132.
139.
139. From the cumulative frequency, it is easy to calculate the sum of frequency also.
Yes,
It's 139. Okay, you got the value of n here. Just put in the formula. That means 139 plus 1 divided by 2. That equals to how much? Just calculate. 140 divided by 2.
Sir, it's divided by 4 now.
Sorry. Divided by 4. That equals to
So 35.
35. 35 is lie in between which given interval?
5.
Which one? Our answer is 5. This one.
5, sir.
Okay. Similarly, calculate the Q3.
8.
That we have 3 into the bracket. It is 139 plus 1 whole divided by 4.
Sir, 105.
105, sir.
105.
105.
8.
8.
105 or 108?
105,
sir.
sir.
105. So 105 is lie in between which area?
8, sir. 8.
8, sir.
This one. Got the value 5 and 6. 5 belong to Q1 and 8 belongs to Q3. that is 8 minus 5 divided by 2. The next one is again 8 minus
3.
5
8 minus
divided
5 by
by
8 plus 5.
8 plus 5.
One point five.
1.5.
1.5.
One is 4 point.
4 point.
0 point.
0.23.
0.115.
0.23.
0.23.
23.
0.23.
Yes, sir, 0.23.
Go to not solve this one. Try to concentrate on the slide. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is another example for you. Try to solve this one as early as possible. Then we proceed for the continuous series. I have already made this one. The sum of frequency is given. And cumulative frequency are also calculated as per the given frequency distribution. Subrat Panda,
Sir.
what is your Q1 value for this particular problem?
20, sir.
20 QB.
That is Subrat's question.
Sir, 12.75 something.
Something is
12.75.
12.75.
okay. Next, Sheikh Abdul Aziz. What
Yes,
is
sir.
the value of Q3?
So doing sir 38.2.
Okay, so
That's 60, sir.
60. Surya Datta Shubham. Okay.
Sir, 12.75 lies in the value for that is 20, sir. Q1 is 20.
Okay, here we just write here. Divide by 4. That equals to how much?
12.75.
12.75.
12.75. Okay. Moving to the next one, that is 3 into 50 plus 1 whole divided by 4. That equals to how much?
38.25.
8.25.
8.25. You see, in case of frequency distribution, the 12.75 is lie in between which area?
20, sir.
17.
20.
Your X, sorry, Q1 value is 20. Similarly, the next one is 38.25. The 38.25 is lying between
60. 60.
Q3 value is 60.
60, sir.
Okay. The next calculate 60 minus 20.
Minus
20.
20.
20.
20.
Is the answer, sir.
Okay. If you calculate the coefficient of quartile deviation in this case, the first one is 40. One is
80.
0.5, sir. Answer.
0.5.
0.5.
5%.
5 is the answer, sir.
Okay. Tapan Kumar Naik.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's 20 and 0.5.
Tapan Kumar Bholo.
Yes, sir. It's 20 and 0.5.
Okay, good. Sushil Sahu. Surya Datta Subham. What is your answer? Oh, you have already told. Na? Suraj Kumar Gedi.
Yes, sir. Sir, 20 and
What is your-
0.5.
Okay, good. Next is Suman Pradhan.
Sir, 20 and 0.5.
Suhana Patnaik, you have already done. Suhana
Yes,
Patnaik.
sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir. It's 20 and 0.5.
Okay, good. Move to the next one. In case of your continuous series, just note out the formula. It is little bit change in case of as far as compared with your individual and your discrete series. Here the formula for Q1 equals to L1, that is the lower limit, plus n by 4 minus cumulative frequency of class preceding to the quartile class, the whole divided by frequency into I. I stand for your class interval or common factor. Similarly, in case of Q3, that is L1 plus 3n divided by 4 minus CF whole divided by F into I, where L1 stand for your lower limit, L1 stand for your lower limit, and N stand for number of observation, CF stand for your cumulative frequency of class proceeding to the quartile class, and F stand for, I just write here, I just forget to write, this is the corresponding frequencies. This corresponding frequency. And I stand for your class interval or common factor. So it is my advice to all of you that just note down this formula in case of continuous series. So whenever you calculate in case of quartile deviation, especially refers to continuous series, you are using these formulas.
Sir.
Yes.
सर कंटिन्यूस सीरीज में क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन और कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन फार्मूला सेम रहेगा ना?
हाँ सेम रहेगा.
Okay, sir.
But after getting Q1 and Q3, it is easy to calculate the coefficient of deviation as well as quartile deviation. So as far as concerned with the quartile deviation, that is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. In case of coefficient of quartile deviation, that equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1.
Sir,
that
here
remains same.
These
are same.
Here n is not equal to summation of x?
No. But I am not getting n equals to summation of frequency in the individual series as well as continuous series. Yes.
Okay, sir.
If you done this one, just take a text a message in chat box that I'll proceed to the next slide.
Done, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's move to the solving examples. Suppose you have to calculate the quartile deviation, only quartile deviation from the following data. We have a particular population in 1,000 and number of localities are given. So here the series is given 10 to 14 and their respective frequencies 4. Similarly, 20 to 30, the frequency is given 7. Then 30 to 40, the frequency is given 15. Again, for 40 to 50, the frequency is 12. And 50 to 60, the frequency is 3 given. Similarly, if you go to the next one, it is 60 to 70, the frequency is given 9 here. And last one is for 17 to 80, the frequency is 6. First, you have to make a particular table like this and arrange the x variable in case of population. That will start from 10 to 22, last one is 17 to 80, and the respective frequencies. Then after you go for calculation of cumulative frequencies, that is 4 plus 7, that is 11, 11 plus 15, that is 26.
26.
The next one is 38. The next one is 41.
41.
50.
The next one is
56.
50. The last one is 56.
56.
So what is the value of n here?
56.
56. Okay. Moving to the next one. Just note down all the things. Then we'll proceed to the next one.
Done, sir.
Okay, just
Done,
wait,
sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, move to the next one. By using this particular formula, first you have to calculate the size of n plus 1/4 items. In this case, in case of size of n plus 1, or in case of quartile, sorry, it is wrongly written. This is not spot. First, you have to observe the Q1 value and Q3 value. But the thing is that here n is 56 is given. And in case of quartile deviation or Q1, that means 50 plus 1. Sorry, in this case, you have to first calculate the average. That means median value or m value that equals to n by 2. n by 2. N by 2 equals to how much? 56 divided by which one?
28.
28.
28.
Just a minute.
Sir, this is L1 plus N by 4 minus cumulative frequency.
Which one?
The Q1 equals to
And
L1.
that is corresponding cumulative frequency proceeding of that previous frequency. I will show that one. Just a minute. So first you have to calculate the Q1 values. Like this, first we got the value of 56 plus 1. Just a minute. 1 whole divided by 4. First calculate this one.
14.
It is 50. How much?
14.2, sir.
14.25, sir.
14.25.
14.25. 14.25 is lie in between which area?
30 to 40.
30 to 40, sir.
30 to 40. So what is the value of L1 here in case of Q1?
30.
And their F value
15.
and CF value
11.
26.
11.
26.
11.
11, sir.
is the
11.
value corresponding to the preceding frequencies. Clear? I repeat. First, you calculate the Q1 by using the n value, that is 56 plus 1 divided by 4. 57 divided by 4, that equals to 14.25. 14.25 is line between the chosen interval that will start from 4 to 26. So here, the corresponding population table should be chosen, and from that table you have to choose the lower limit, that is L1 equals to 30. The next part is the corresponding frequency is 15. The preceding frequency in case of CF, that is 11. You got the value of L1. The next one is your you can say that is the CF value 11. The corresponding frequency 15. And what is the common factor here?
10.
Okay. So here I write the L1 value is 30 and the CF value is 11. Corresponding frequency is 15 and common factor is 10. Calculate Q1 here. That equals to how much? 10 plus
52.
The
10
L1
plus
equal to 30, sir.
30, sir. L1.
30, yes.
So 30.
30. Q1 equals to 30.
Okay. What is the
The
value here?
answer is 32.
So 32.
32. Similarly, calculate, if you calculate the Q3 size, it means 3 into, just right here, 3 into your 56,
6 plus 1.
just a minute, whole divided by 4, that equals to how much?
14.
40,
32.75.
14 into 3.
0.75.
42.75.
Okay. 42.75 is lie in between which area?
60 to 70.
60 to 70, sir.
60 to 70. What is the L1 value here?
60.
60.
60, sir.
L1 value is 60. Then corresponding frequency,
41.
41.
then F value,
9.
9.
9.
F value is 9 here. Okay, you got, and what is the I factor here?
So 10.
10 only, sir.
Obviously, it is 10. So you have L1 value, F value, CF value, and I value. Calculate Q3.
61.11.
61.11. Calculate the quartile deviation here.
सर फिर एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए सर Q1 Q3 वैल्यूज.
You got the value of n, number of observation 56 from this particular table. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Then after you go for calculating this one. Sorry, just a minute. Calculating this one, that means size of n plus 1 term, it means 56 plus 1 divided by 4. यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला दो बार यूज होगा. Clear? In
Yes,
this
sir.
case, you got the value 14.25. Then
Yes.
14.25 is lying between 4 to 26. Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
And then that reference column should be considered. Sorry, that reference column should be considered as the given what L1 value in case of 30.
Yes.
And their corresponding frequency, that is in case of F 15, and preceding frequency in case of CF, that is 11, previous frequency.
Yes.
In case of Q1, you got value of L1, F, the next one is CF, and the common factor in between 30 to 40 is 10.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you calculate the Q3, you got the value of 42.75. The 42.75 is lie in between 4 to 50. That means this raw is chosen here. The lower limit is given 60 to 70. That's why the L1 value is 60, the F value is 9, and the preceding value of cumulative frequency, that is 41. And here in between 60 to 70, the common factor is I, or I equals to 10.
Yes, sir.
After getting all value, if you put in the formula, in case of Q1, it is 32. In case of Q3, it is 61.11.
Yes,
Then after you go for calculation of QD, quartile deviation. What is the
Sir,
formula for
Q3,
The
I'm not getting
14.5.
it as 61.11.
61.11? Here I write 61.11.
So
So
how?
QD is 14.
QD is 14.
So
The
14.55.
Q3 is not
You just
61.
multiply na 3 into 56 divided by 4.
Yes, sir.
Then minus CF. CF is how much? CF is 41.
Okay, yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, that means that is already defined. 42 minus 42.57 minus your how much? 41.
Sir, 60 plus 1 by 9 into 10.
Exactly.
Yes, sir, yes, I got it.
QD is 14.55.
That is 14 point. Just I write simplify this one. This is 61.11 minus your 32 divided by 2. How much?
So it's 14.55.
8.55.
14.55, sir.
So 14.55.
Just a minute. That is 14.55. Moving to the next one, calculate the calculate the CQ, coefficient of quartile deviation.
0.312.
0.31.
0.31.
It equals to how much? 0. Yes.
Sir, in Q1 or Q3,
Yes.
CF is divided from n by 4 या n plus 1 by 4. तो n by 4 है फॉर्मूला में n plus by n by 4 से डिवाइडेड सब्सट्रैक्ट होगा या n plus 1 by 4
पहले जो ब्रैकेट में है उसको फिनिश करो. इन दिस केस फर्स्ट 3 into 56 डिवाइड बाय 4 करो. जो भी निकलेगा माइनस CF करोगे.
Sir, 42 minus 41.
हाँ.
42 minus 41 होगा ना?
हाँ.
Yes. Divided by 9 into 10.
What is the answer for coefficient of quartile?
0.31. 0.31.
I will call one by one those who are complete. Okay. Susmita Patnagadon, Sumer Sahu,
Sir,
Sahu. Okay.
Can you explain again, sir, QD and CQD?
The formula is already given in the first slide.
Yes, sir. After that,
after that one.
after calculating Q3 and Q1, sir. Here, how we are putting, sir?
The formula is given there. You have to write the formula whenever you attend the session. That is Q1, Q3 minus Q1 whole divided by 2.
Sir, I think the value of Q1 will be 33.33.
Value of, just check. And
Q1, sir.
Let's finish. Let's recheck this one. N equal to your 56 divided by 4. How much?
14.
14 minus CF. CF is 11.
Yes, sir. 14 minus 11 by 15.
3 by 15.
How much?
3 by 15 into 10.
1 by 5 into 10 means 2, sir.
30 plus 2.
Sorry, sir.
30 plus 2, 32.
Sorry, sir. My mistake.
Okay. Never mind. Next, if you calculate 3 into 56 divided by 4, that is already we have calculated now. This one, that is 42.75 minus
Yes,
40.
sir.
Sorry, 41. Then whole divide by your 9.
Yes, sir.
After getting the answer, you
Sir,
multiply with 10. Yes.
सर जो Q1 साइज ऑफ n प्लस 1/4 आइटम लिखा है उसमें
हाँ.
सिर्फ +1 होगा, बाकी जो Q1 फॉर्मूला है n/4 उसमें +1 नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
ओके.
Okay. Shall I move to next example? Let's check who
Yes,
had
sir.
completed this one. Okay. Sriyas have complete. Tufan gonna follow. Sheikh Abdul Aziz, Sushil Sahu, Sneha Smita Sahu, Subhana Mishra, Pragatika Sahu, Susmit Ponda. What about others? Subhalakshmi Raut, okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Okay, fine. Let's check other. Sujita Rao done.
Yes, sir.
Subhasis Swai. Subhasis Swai, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, secured 0.156, sir. I am.
Subhadarshini Barik.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
The next is Soumya Subhadarshini. Okay, fine. Moving to the next problem. We have the population in 1000 again. That is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40. Similarly, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and last one is 60 to 70. And their respective frequencies given in the form of number of localities. Calculate the quartile deviation and coefficient of deviation from the following data. Calculate. You have only few minutes. Simran Das, are you done the previous example?
Yes, sir. I have done that.
Okay, fine. Then Suresh Nata Panigrahi,
Yes, sir.
have you done the previous example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your answer? Yes, proceed. V. Amarnath.
Yes, sir. I have done, sir. Previous question.
That V stand for Venkatesh.
No, sir.
Or V stand for what?
Vempadapu.
Okay. So here we have to solve this one by making the same sequence of tables. In case of population, we have 0 to 10s, and the respective frequencies given 5, 3, 7, 7, 5, 2, 9. So first, calculate the cumulative frequencies. First, so that is 5. Again,
8,
8, good.
15,
10,
22,
22,
27,
27,
20,
29,
29,
38.
68.
38.
here I write the sum of frequencies given here, 38. Okay. So calculate the Q1 size for in case of interval, that is T8 plus 1 whole divided by 4.
So 9.75.
9.75.
75.
And calculate the Q3.
29.25.
Just write here C into 38 plus 1 whole divided by 4. That equals to how much?
29.25, sir.
29.25.
0.25.
0.25. At 9.5, it lie in between which line?
20 to
20
20 to
20 to 30.
What is your L1 value?
L1 20.
20.
And F value?
7.
7.
And
F
CF
7.
value?
8.
8.
8. Similarly, if you calculate the next one, we have 29.25 for Q3. In this case, it is 38.
Yes, sir.
Here L1 value is 60, F value is 9, and CF value is 29. And common factor in between 62 to 70, that is 10. So we have all the values just calculated here. Swagatika Sahu. Swagatika Sahu, are you there? Swapna Rani Jena, what is your answer for Q1?
Sir, doing, sir.
The 22.14 Q1 value.
22.14 Q1.
So 22.14.
For Q1, 22.14.
22.14.
Subhadashini Barik.
Yes,
What is the
sir.
value
मैंने
of
मेल किया फिर ठीक है
Sir, doing,
फिर
sir.
वो
Sir,
बोल
doing.
रहा है कि तुम डीएमबी वाला मेल
So
सबको बार
Q3
बार रिप्लाई
answer
और क्यों कर रही हो
59.44.
that too sometime with for your information.
So Q3 is 59.45.
Yes, sir. 59.45.
So 4444 मतलब 59.45.
Going to the next one. Subhalakshmi Raut.
Sir, doing, sir.
Make it fast. Subhasri Soren.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of Q1 here?
So Q1 22.14.
Okay.
I got the answer.
Just you can drop on chat box.
Yes, sir.
See, in this particular problem, first you solve the bracket one. That is already we have solved 9.75 minus CF is given here 8. That is 9.75 minus 8 whole divided by 7. Then again, then after you go for multiplying 10. Similarly, in case of 3 into n divided by 4, we have already calculated 29.25 minus your, which one? 29. Okay, that is 29. Whole divided by 9 into I. Okay, people are already calculating the quartile deviation. That is
Sir,
18.
QD is
So QD is
18.65
18.65.
and CQD is 0.45.
45 or 46?
45, sir.
45, sir.
0.45.
0.45. Okay. I just write here in case of calculating the, that is quartile deviation equals to
18.65.
18.65. In case of coefficient of quartile deviation, that equals
0.45.
0.45. Okay. The next one is a particular assignment for all of you. You have to do on the assignment book, sorry, assignment note. And that's all
So
from
you
my
will
side.
send us the PPT, no? Or else
Yes,
we
yes,
will.
it is my duty that after end of this particular session, I will send the PPT along with the videos. Get clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
कल का असाइनमेंट में मीन इज गिवन और मीडियन
Yes, yes.
सर कल आपने जो असाइनमेंट दिया था इसमें मीन गिवन है या
yes,
मीडियन
the
In
previous
that case,
assignment.
पर
mean is
एग्जांपल में
given.
मीन था पर असाइनमेंट में मीडियन था
No
So
problem.
median
In
means
case of
cumulative
median,
number.
just ask calculate the which one. The data is given in case of continuous series. In case of continuous series, the median is how? What is the value of median?
59
N by 2, na?
So it is n by 2, sir. N by 2.
N by 2 items, and that refer to that particular column.
Okay, sir. तो mean में नहीं होगा ना वो?
No.
Okay,
That's
sir.
why I changed the questions. In previous question, we have done in case of median, but in case of assigned, I have provided the question in case of median. In case of median,
Sir,
we have, yes.
वो question solve कर दीजिएगा थोड़ा next class में.
Okay, I will solve that one.
Okay, sir.
Better you try. If it is not possible from your side, then I will definitely solve that one.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.